Protecting your exterior timber from moisture, mold and UV is made easy with Feast Watson's Wood Shield Timber Cladding and Screening Oil. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to protect timber screening from weathering and premature aging. But first, here's what you'll need. Feast Watson Wood Shield, Feast Watson Woodclean, a paintbrush, a paint tray, a flat blade stirrer, a stiff bristle brush, a high pressure hose, a bucket, and your safety gear. Beautiful, long-lasting finishes on timber rely on proper preparation of the surface. That's why we recommend using Feast Watson's Woodclean. Its powerful oxalic acid-based formula helps remove oils, mold, stains and tannins from new and weathered timber to create a clean slate for your timber. Start by wetting the timber. Dilute in water by mixing 1 part Woodclean to 4 parts water, ensuring to stir the mixture thoroughly. Then, using a stiff bristle brush, scrub the surface vigorously. Allow the Woodclean solution to penetrate the surface for 20 minutes before rinsing away with high-pressure water. Allow the timber to dry before applying your Feast Watson Wood Shield. Start by stirring the product thoroughly, taking care not to introduce bubbles. Using a brush, roller or spray, work in the direction of the grain and ensure the edges and end grain are fully coated. Allow the coating to soak into the timber before applying additional coats. Your coating does not need to be fully dry before recoating. Continue adding additional coats until the timber is fully saturated and unable to absorb anymore. This will ensure the timber is fully penetrated, giving a natural matte finish without any surface film build. And just like that, your timber screening is now protected against the elements. There's no cracking or peeling, ever. And it's both UV and mold resistant. Available in a range of architectural colour trends including natural, walnut, weathered grey and black. Feast Watson Wood Shield is the ideal product for vertical timber applications, giving you maximum water resistance protection.